Are you suffering from Zoom fatigue? Well, I got the answer. I'm Jack Marrano, Director of Absolute Signature Division here at Absolute Dental, and I would like you to join me for the Florida chapter of the ACP meeting on July 30th and 31st. It's in Florida, Orlando. Bring the family. They got a lazy river, just saying. I'm gonna be there. It's gonna be great. My presentation is called Fast Forward. And that's using today's technologies to go ahead and limit patient interactions, but still achieve awesome, predictable, and accurate results. And I look forward to seeing you all there. So come meet me at the Florida chapter of the ACP. It's gonna be a fantastic meeting. We're gonna have a ton of fun. Again, lazy river. What more can you want? Bring the entire family. Register now. Hope to see you there.